The easiest way to tell who manufactured your shower faucet is to look at the shower valve itself. Usually there's a mark on it, some indication as to who the manufacturer is. It could be either the name of the manufacturer or it could be a logo. If you can't see it easily, then the next thing you should do is clean this as best as you can, and then also take a flashlight and shine it on this entire plate and this handle to see if you can pick out, again, either a logo, a name, or maybe even an identifying mark. If you happen to find just a mark, those marks typically indicate the manufacturer, and I'll leave additional information in the description below that can help you translate what that manufacturer is based off of the mark or based off of even maybe the logo that's imprinted on the faucet itself. If that doesn't work for you, the next thing you'll want to do is take off the handle and look behind the accession plate to see if there's a label behind it. And a lot of times there is, and it indicates not only the manufacturer, but also the exact model of the faucet that you have installed. Now, before you get started with any plumbing project, it's always important to shut off the water. So once you have that completed, you can go ahead and remove the handle and take a look and see what you can find. I'll show you how to do that here on this one. All right, so on this model, we just need to remove the cap that's on the handle. And then we can access the screw that's inside here. Once the screw is loose, you can remove the handle, just pull it straight off. And then from there, you'll want to remove the screws that are holding this plate on the wall. Once those screws are out, you should be able to just pull this plate off. And then you can look behind the plate to see if there's a sticker in here that has the manufacturer model number. In this case, it does not have it. So the next thing we need to do is take a look at the cartridge itself. So with this, we need to also take off this metal collar to be able to look at the cartridge. Sometimes these things can be tricky to get off, so you might need some needle nose pliers and just kind of work it back and forth. Kind of loosen it up and pull at the same time, and it should pull off. Now with this one, it's a Moen. I know this because, well, for one, it's marked on the outside of mine, but two, this is a very specific cartridge that Moen uses. So this is an easy way to tell who the manufacturer is. If you take a picture of this to the hardware store, they can help you identify what cartridge you need to replace, or the manufacturer again, if you're looking at just upgrading the hardware. If you're trying to upgrade the looks of your shower, there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. One, you need to make sure you stick with the same manufacturer. And two, you'll want to find a hardware kit that is from that manufacturer. Or what you'll want to do is you'll want to buy an entire shower faucet, and that's going to be a little bit more expensive. But you'll want to buy an entire shower faucet that's basically the same as what you already have installed, and you'll just take the hardware pieces off of that kit in order to upgrade the looks of what you have in place. Now, again, it is more expensive, but it's a lot cheaper than doing a complete bathroom remodel. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Top Homeowner channel if you haven't already. At Top Homeowner, our goal is to help you become the very best homeowner that you can be. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.